I'm getting ready for a girls' night tonight. So I just want to come on and show y'all how I go from looking like this to this. What's up, YouTube? I hope everyone is at home staying safe, being clean, washing your hands, sanitizing everything. Just want to come on here to give y'all some more content. I haven't been on YouTube in it's been over 5 years. I've been on high school for 4 years, and I used to do YouTube in high school. So while my wig is drying, I'm going to start off by doing my face. I have not had my eyebrows waxed since the quarantine, but it's okay. We gonna make it do what it do. And I just want to say, y'all, I am not a makeup artist. Makeup is not my thing. I just do what I do to get bad, to look good, you know? But hopefully, sometimes in the future, I'll be there. I couldn't put my lashes on at first, so we getting somewhere. So first I'm going to start off by using this primer. It's by Collab. Let's see. I know it's dirty, but it's been in the bag with all my other makeup. And you can find this at Sally's. So we're going to first start by priming my face. I can't wait to show y'all the transformation for my skin. It was way worse than it's quarantine and wearing these masks has really been having my skin off the chain. I do not appreciate this at all, bro. Before all this stuff came, my skin was looking so good. I always struggle with pimples and stuff. But I had got my skin to a point where it was just looking so good and flawless. And now that we've been wearing these masks, as you can see, my problem areas is where the mask will be. I cannot do it. So we got the face all nice and primed. I personally like to do my eyebrows first. So we're gonna go in with the eyebrows first. Now, the eyebrows is one of my struggle areas. I know how to do them, but it's not where I want it to be. But we're working on it. Like I said, we're gonna make it do what it do. And I kind of gotta hurry up because I'm already late.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
This looks terrible already, but we just stay tuned for the finishing. Anastasia, Beverly Hills Brow Definer pencil. So since it's summertime, I got a little tan. So I'm going to be mixing these two colors together. These are the LA Pro Girls. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer. You get these from the hair store. I'm mixing the color Creamy Beige and Fawn. So I'm just going to mix them on the back of my hand so that I can get a little conceal going on. Y'all, please don't mind my lips. You know what? Let me go put some on my lips because this is just trifling. Alright, so we back. My lips not crusty no more. Let's get back into it. So, like I was saying, I'm going to mix these two colors together on the back of my hand. Y'all, I'm left-handed, so shout out to all my lefties. Shout out to all the lefties. My mama said everything I do looks awkward, but it's cool because we get the job done. Alright, so if you do not know, I used to work at Sally's, so I have a lot of stuff from Sally's. Y'all gonna see me using a lot of stuff from Sally's. And Sally's not sponsoring my video, but they have a love and returning guarantee, so whenever you want to try something out, just go to Sally's. If you don't like it, take it back. We ain't there, but we getting somewhere. So usually when I do this look, I don't wear a foundation. I'll just like do my eyebrows and put on some highlight and a lip. But since we got this area going on my face, I can't be having myself out here looking crazy like that. Like, so we gotta put some on there. I'm gonna put some. We gonna see, cause I don't want a full face right now. All right, so let's do this. Let's try to do some color correcting. I'm a hairstylist. I know how to color correct, but I don't know how to color correct when we doing makeup. So we gonna try this thing out. I think that's how it works. So. Good already. Like, long as you can't see these bumps, I'm cool. I can't seem to hide this big bump, and that's fine, just as long as we get majority. Because, yeah. It's looking terrible, like, I can't. So we did eyebrows, we did the face. I don't really think I want to wear no eyeshadow. I might put like a little bit of highlight in the corners or something, but and I'll probably wear lip gloss too. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use I think it's called Huda Beauty or Huda Beauty. It's from Sephora. I'm gonna use this goldish brownish color here. Ooh, my friend gonna get me. Facial highlight, we're going to use the Missy Lynn palette. It's from BH Cosmetics, and we're going to be using the colors. We're going to use these. We're going to be using these two colors. I just like to mix them together and put them on because I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, we're just going to make it do what it do. We concealed, we put on foundation. My lips was crusty, so we put on some chapstick. We put a little bit in our eyes. So now we just gotta do my lashes. So the lashes that we are going to be using today are from Exquisite Minx. My friend Jennifer, she owns Exquisite Minx, and she does lashes, she does waxing, and she sells lashes. So make sure y'all hit her up. How to put on lashes, it's still a struggle. So we're getting there. Like, we're getting there, y'all. I'm telling y'all, makeup is not my thing. Give me a head, I got you. But this makeup stuff, is not for me. But we gonna make it do what it do. stuff on my eyelashes. That's not cool, but I be wanting to wear lashes, so we just gotta grow in that area. Like, long as you know it's okay. Long as you know it look messed up, it's okay. At least I ain't thinking I done slayed the game, and I know I didn't. So we cool. So we got our lashes on. We're gonna let these dry. It's gonna dry clear. It's not gonna be white like that. Hopefully not. Time for my wig. Let's bust them out, y'all. To my hair. I would never do my client's hair like this, but you know, hairstylists have been looking terrible, but it's okay. As long as our clients look good, we fine. We are fine. I don't see how people wear lashes like all day, every day, sleeping their lashes, because they be itching. I be ready to pull them things off. I can't remember who I got it from. I know it was a young girl. She was like a teenager. So if I find her information, then I'll link her website. But this is so pretty. Ooh. This camera is doing this necklace no justice, but it is so pretty. It's rose gold, and it's a butterfly, and I love butterflies, like my favorite thing ever. So yeah. And then I have some of these charm bracelets, which I also love. This one is by Tache Custom Jewelry. I'll link her Facebook page. These ones are by Infinite Charms Plus. Her name is Lauren. She made these for me. I'll also link her page too. So yeah, they are so pretty. All black owned. Great quality. So girly. It's so pretty. And the lip gloss that I'm going to be using is by Bliss Collection. Her name is Caitlin. I got this lip gloss from her alone, like last year at a like a pop-up shop. So y'all gonna be the first to see me with it on. It's so pretty. I love this color. It went on so nicely. It looks so good. So there we go, y'all. I'm all done. My rush makeup job, hair job, everything. My friend gonna kill me for being late, but it's okay, because I gotta look good. So if y'all like this video, make sure y'all subscribe to my videos. Check out my old videos that I did in like high school. There's plenty of like hair tutorials and stuff in there. Let me know what y'all like to see, what y'all want to see from me, any questions y'all want to ask, I'll answer. And yeah, just stay tuned for the next video.